Good morning, everybody. Hi, my name is Julie Charnosky, and I will be your professor for this class. And I just wanted to take a few moments and introduce the class to you and our first module. So if you haven't already, please go through all parts of the course, starting with the welcome and the syllabus. You can read the faculty bio. I will be teaching this class, and I have a teaching assistant, Caitlin, who is going to be working with all of you on your APA and formatting styles throughout the course because this is a writing intensive course. Look through the course expectations, grading, late assignment policy, and then please move next into the library resources communication. There's a section called questions for the professor. You can pose your questions there if you would like. That way other students can see what you're asking. But if you prefer, please email me or you can always text me. So my telephone number is 717-497-7972. And I'm open to text messages if that's the way you prefer to communicate with me. Under additional tools and examples, we have a lot of information and it's very important and you should review this. Examples of distinguished posts. So what my expectations are for your discussion question posts throughout the course. What my expectations are for how you respond to your peers. And then lots of information for your papers that I would like you to look through and read before you even start doing your papers. Lots of things about thesis and writing style. Citation formatting is extremely important. How to write an abstract, point of view, passive voice, present tense. Lots of information there that we see students make mistakes on the first time around. So these will help you become more familiar with APA and your writing style that are our expectation for the course. Module 1 is wellness and nursing. So in Module 1, the expectation is that you'll read chapters 1 and 2. You will go and look at the dietary guidelines and My Plate. And in week 1, we are going to ask you to pick a nutrition subject that you would like to write about throughout the course. Make sure it's something that you're very interested in because it will be something that you will write about week over week over week in your discussion questions and, of course, in your paper. The course is designed so that each week when we do a discussion question, the information that you're using in that discussion question will translate into your paper. Now, obviously, there's other information you have to gather that won't be in your discussion question for your paper, but it will help with a good bit of your writing. So in this week 1, we want you to create a title page, and we have lots of links, and we're here for if you have questions. So pick your subject, create your title page in APA format. We want you to post a short bio. So I need a short bio of you, a video posted by Thursday of this week. Just what year you're in, what you do if you have another job on the side, just a little bit about yourself, what you're looking forward to getting out of this class. Then we have a discussion question based on chapters 1 and 2 in the dietary guidelines in My Plate. So we'll ask that I ask that you post your response to your discussion questions no later than Mondays before participation is due by Sunday of that week. Now, I'm going to go in and update the course calendar so you know when you need to post the discussion question. The reason I need you to post the answer sooner than later is because everybody needs to have a chance to post on 3 different days in order to respond to your peers. So take a look at the calendar if you need a little more guidance on that, or if I need to explain that better to you, please reach out to me. So this week, in terms of the points for the discussion question here in weeks, this first module, they're a little less so you can kind of get used to what my expectations are, okay? So don't forget, you need to do your introduction. That is a video format. You need to do your discussion question. Okay, and that is chapters 1 and 2 in the dietary guidelines in My Plate. And you need to do your title page for your final paper. There's due dates on all of this, so you should be able to see that here in the course. There is a link to help you with doing the title page, but if you have any questions, please reach out to Caitlin. She'll be introducing herself as well, and you can find her in the Wilson email as well as it's on the syllabus. There's also another area in the course that says directions for final paper. Please refer to this often. This will give you some guidance on how the final paper should be organized and look. Also in the additional tools and examples section in your under the course, there is a distinguished paper. It's not perfect, but it is one of the best papers we've read. Very organized, very nice APA style. So please take a look at that just to get an idea of what we're looking for organization. And again, if you have any questions for me whatsoever, please feel free to reach out at any time. Like I said, I'm open to text messaging, emailing, whatever works for you is good for me. I know that some of you have other jobs and you have families, and time can be very short. So please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. And I hope to have a great fall course.